grass is greener on the other side, 'cause it's always raining that I was born a dreamer, but my dream life turned out to be a nightmare. I have heard it said that when one door closes, God opens up a window, but I live on the 7th floor, so the metaphor, it's too close to home. Every rope that I've ever been thrown somehow ends up wrapped around my throat. I've been trying to fight this on my own, but I'm letting go. Here goes my train of thoughts again. I'm tied down to the tracks. I know there's no escaping it. I guess I'll fade to black. Here goes my train of thoughts again. I'm tied down to the tanks. This really ain't no way to live. I guess I'll fade to black. Mocking death in every song to appear strong, and laugh right in his face like he hasn't come to call and taken all that I love away. Every rope that I've ever been thrown somehow ends up wrapped around my throat. I've been trying to fight this on my own, but I'm letting go. Because my train of thoughts again. I'm tied down to the tracks. I know there's no escaping it. I guess I'll fade to black. Here comes my train of thoughts again. I'm tied down to the tracks. This really ain't no way to live. I guess I'll fade to black. 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 I just wanna tell you how much this hurts, but I gotta make it rhyme. People tell me that life goes on, but somehow that makes it worse. I mean, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just tired all the time.